Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God humbles the proud. Good evening, Shalom keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 8th of September 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? I hope everyone is blessed, and of course it's already the second week of this month. Time really flies. Right, Miss Twita? How are you, Miss Twita?
I'm fine, Miss Audrey. I'm good.
Okay, so how was your weekend? Where were you?
Well, actually, the whole week I was in Cirebon
Oh, okay.
because my family was here.
Yeah.
My kids and
okay.
my husband, everyone was here in Cirebon. So I was very, very happy. Tapi setiap hari ditinggal pergi.
Oh,
Because I needed to go to the store, right?
okay, ya.
Cirebon kan tidak separah Jakarta ya.
Betul.
Jadi kita masih harus tetap bekerja ya.
Aktivitas ya.
Iya, tetap harus ke sekolah,
Ya.
kantor gitu. Tetap harus ada antar makanan, catering segala macam. Jadi so the business was still there, but my family was there too, was here. So yesterday it was the farewell. Yeah, because they really didn't like to go back. They wish to work from home all the time.
All the time, yeah.
And the home is in Cirebon.
Yes.
So that is that. And well, actually last night was my time again to travel, Miss Audrey. So I went to Jatinangor to take my youngest daughter because it's time to go to the college again.
Yes.
And actually, after that, we wanted to go to Jakarta via Bandung.
Okay.
But when we saw the maps, all the toll road was really, really red.
Crowded ya.
It means it was very crowded. So we went back again through Cisumdawu toll, went back to Cipali again, and then went to Cikampek. So that meant that we only face one crowd in Cikampek. But if we went through Cipularang, we would have the two crowds in Cipularang and in Cikampek.
Okay.
So actually the length, the kilometer was what do you call it? Longer. Lewat Cisumdawu lebih panjang. But the time was shorter. Tapi waktu tempuhnya lebih pendek.
Yeah, because the traffic.
Yeah, because Cisumdawu kan sepi banget tuh.
Yeah.
Enak banget ya. Jadi jarak tempuhnya jauh tapi waktu tempuhnya lebih pendek. Gitu. And kita nggak ketemu macet yang luar biasa.
Yeah.
Because last night was the day for everyone to go back, right?
Yes.
After
go back to reality.
Yeah. After 1 week off,
yes.
right? We can say 1 week.
Yeah.
Not only long weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but the whole week. Especially for people from Jakarta, right?
Yeah.
They must have spent their time outside Jakarta. So that is that. And and then I came back to Cirebon this morning because I needed to teach at 2 o'clock in my place. But that is that, Miss Audrey. Well, I can say that I had a wonderful week, not only weekend.
Yes.
1 week, 1 full week. Because my house was crowded again, rame ya.
Rame lagi ya.
So you can imagine ya, 3 girls.
Yes. 3
3
girls in one house.
Yeah, in one house. Ya, mereka nggak berhenti bullying each other, annoying each other, like that.
Yeah, but I think they missed that moment.
That's right. That's why yesterday we planned to go back at 1 o'clock after lunch.
Okay.
But we finally went out of the house at 3 o'clock. 2
Ah.
hours delay.
Yeah.
Soalnya semua masih males-malesan, masukin bajunya.
Kayaknya nggak rela banget ya untuk kembali ke reality.
Even this morning in Jakarta, my daughter said, kenapa nggak ada demo lagi? Janganlah.
Walaupun side effect-nya ya.
Side effect-nya enak.
They hope
ya.
the side effect, tapi ya janganlah.
Jangan ya. Jangan mendoakan yang itu. Because this morning I was in Jakarta, Miss Audrey. We started going out from home at 6:20 in the morning,
Okay.
and it was really, really, really crowded.
It's
Macet luar
already
biasa.
like back
to reality and back to normal.
normal, yeah.
Plus,
Yeah.
normal plus, I think.
Already 1 week sih, Miss.
Yeah, already 1
Udah
week.
seminggu tidak kegiatan,
Iya.
nggak aktivitas. Mungkin mereka juga semua pekerjaan kan ya akhirnya terbengkalai sih sebenarnya ya,
Iya,
walaupun
betul.
WFH tetap
Iya,
aja.
betul. That's right. So yeah, that is that, Miss Audrey. The week in my family with me. How about you?
Actually last Thursday, Miss, we started to get the MBG.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
From the government?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow,
Miss.
it's a surprise.
Yeah. And actually it was like the first, not a good start actually, because because I think like they didn't manage the time correctly.
Oh,
So
the delivery time, you
the
mean?
delivery time
Oh.
maybe for from the cook time and then the delivery. So it came for primary. They divided to 2 delivery time
Oh, okay.
for the first and to 3rd grade. It was in the morning.
Okay.
So it's okay. It was okay. But for the 4th grade to 6th grade, we finally we had to take it from the place, from the kitchen. Yeah.
Is it far away?
No.
Oh.
Near.
Oh, okay.
But it was around 12:30 or 1. It's like, yeah, it was their first day. So even for the junior high, it didn't come
At all?
at all.
Oh my.
Because the student already went home
Okay,
that time. So they just get for the senior high. It was at 3 o'clock.
Oh. So they ate before going home.
Yeah. But and then we just like complain, not complain actually. We just give them the opinion, suggestion, and then they really manage it correctly today.
Today.
Yeah. So yeah, they like manage everything better. And so today it's the second day of the MBG and they came early.
For all levels?
For all levels. They came early, even actually before they told us that 4th grade to 6 they will come the same time with the junior and senior.
Oh, okay.
But today no. They delivered it around 9.
Oh.
So we can give it to the students on their first break time.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yeah, and also Miss, actually the menu, it's really good.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What was that?
Rice.
Rice, of course.
The rice, and then the protein, and then
Eggs, you mean?
chicken.
Oh, chicken. Okay.
They made it chicken popcorn today. Chicken popcorn.
Yeah, I know.
And then perkedel tempe. And then sayur pok choy with the garlic. And
the fruit.
Orange.
One orange?
Yes.
One whole orange?
Yes.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Wow.
So benar-benar sih menurut kita ya, pihak sekolah ini benar-benar bergizi. Iya.
And the volume, are they okay? The rice is
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Gak hanya sepotong dua potong
No,
ya,
no, no,
seperti
no,
yang berita-berita itu ya.
no.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, it was really good. And also because the delivery time today it's better than yesterday.
And you
Then-
didn't go there to
No,
check?
no.
It's all of from them.
Ya,
Okay.
jadi benar-benar mereka memperbaiki gitu, manage dengan baik
Okay.
today.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it was an excited time for the students who gets the MBK.
Oh, so I think the students tomorrow are really expecting
Yeah.
another menu.
Yes, and even Miss, they already gave us the
The
menu,
menu for each day.
for each
Oh,
day.
okay.
On Friday later, it will be burger.
Tomorrow,
Friday,
Friday. And French
Burger.
fries.
maybe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
So it's really good actually.
Yeah. Even my own catering, Miss Audrey, for the orange is only half.
See?
Ya, half.
Yeah.
Bukan karena nggak muat di dalamnya kalau
Yeah.
bulat. Itu kan gepeng ya tempatnya ya, boxnya ya gitu. And only two things. Karena it is not actually, I don't know bergizi atau enggak, tapi khusus my own catering khusus itu yang goreng-goreng semua.
Oh, okay.
That is my specialty ya. Karena banyak anak yang ada seumuran berapa gitu mereka tidak suka goreng-goreng.
Yeah.
But I think because it is not I think the parents agreed with that, and I said it is only for lunch.
Okay.
So at home you'd better prepare the full menu, which is nutritious from your children. So that's okay. That's why yang catering sama saya nggak terlalu banyak misalnya, karena emang isinya gitu dan itu hanya untuk anak-anak yang nggak suka makan sayur.
Okay. Jadi.
Because I put the sayur di dalam gorengan.
Okay.
Gitu.
Yeah.
Saya seperti bakwan sayur, something like that. But I heard, since I heard that, the MBG, so I was surprised. So I think I need to evaluate my own menu to make it more nutritious. Wow.
Ya loh, protein hewani dan protein nabati.
Iya, and itu burger kan pasti daging ya.
Iya.
The patty itu ya, inside the burger. Wow. Okay. How about tomorrow, Miss Audrey?
Tomorrow, okay, we'll see. Tomorrow menu it will be ikan dori asam manis,
Wow.
tahu crispy,
Wow.
tumis brokoli sawi, and pisang.
Wow, pisang.
Yes, even on Thursday, Miss, pisang loh, one each.
Yeah, I know.
Yes,
I know. So they put it on a tray
yeah, on a tray.
and then wrap with the.
Not wrap, it's really on a tray, like in Squid Game.
Yeah, I know.
That kind of
Tapi
tray.
ditutup plastik bening lagi nggak?
Enggak, hanya
Oh.
itunya.
I
Yeah.
see.
And everyone has to bring their own spoon.
Okay.
And they don't ask school to clean it.
Oh,
Yes.
jadi mereka tungguin.
Jadi enggak. Jadi nanti diambil lagi. Pokoknya kelar anak-anak makan tutup saja, disusun lagi, nanti mereka akan ambil.
I see.
Kita nggak perlu buangin apa yang misalkan
Yang
ada
sisa
sampah
atau
itu sisa-sisa
apa.
gitu.
Oh, okay. And from the side of the children, the kids, do you see that they really like the
Yes.
menu?
Even sometimes ada beberapa anak yang just like this one, not this one, but it's okay I think.
Okay.
Because it's like just teach them to maybe one day they will like vegetables,
I
like
see.
something like that.
Okay.
Yeah,
That sounds good. Really good.
yeah, it's like really proper
Oh, okay.
menu. I think.
So for last Thursday, did school mention to the students not to bring the meals?
Yes,
Oh.
but because they were late.
Uh-huh.
And then some kids they really didn't bring anything.
Oh.
So the school bought something for them.
Okay.
Yeah. And then after that, we told to the parents that they have to still bring something. Just in case.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Well, from the side of the school, that is the school full of compassion.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for the government. Thank you for the
Yes.
school.
Yes.
And did the teacher also get the tray?
No, but we can eat the tray which the children like, because of some of the students, the parents didn't allow it.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. So that tray, the teacher can eat that tray.
Oh, okay. Okay. What was the comment from the teacher?
Good.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
The taste is good.
Yeah, the taste is good.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Jadi benar-benar mereka serius masaknya.
Masaknya ya, bukan asal-asalan.
Nggak asal-asalan.
Oh, baguslah, catering yang bagus.
Iya.
Berarti.
Nasinya pun putih, bersih.
Bersih ya. No stones.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to hear that, Miss Audrey.
Yes, that's my interesting weekend.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia, that's all about our weekend. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and following advertisements. We'll be right back. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. Okay, after we talk about our weekend or weekday last week, now we will talk about the trending. Okay, please, Miss Twita.
Okay, so actually it is not really trending, Miss Audrey, but people still follow this theory.
Okay.
So this is the let them theory.
Yeah.
Masih tidak terlalu booming lagi, tapi masih gitu
Masih,
ya. So I think we need to let the Keluarga Gracia know also about the let them theory.
Yeah.
Let artinya LET ya, let membiarkan. Them artinya mereka. Jadi kalau secara harafiah artinya teori membiarkan mereka.
Yeah.
Membiarkan mereka apa sih? Itu yang mau kita bahas.
Okay.
Gitu ya. Okay, so welcome back everyone. You are tuned in trending topic of English Time. Tonight we are talking about something that has been blowing up on social media, in podcasts, and now even in bookstores. The let them theory.
Oh yes, it's that simple little phrase with a huge impact. The let them theory basically says stop trying to control what other people do. If your friend cancels plans, let them. If someone doesn't support you, let them. It's about letting go of the stuff you cannot change so you can focus on yourself.
Exactly. And Mel Robbins, the motivational speaker who made this go viral, turned it into a whole book. In it, she shares 8 powerful lessons that can help us manage stress, set better boundaries, and live with more peace.
Yeah, and that's what we're unpacking today. So buckle up, because these 8 lessons might just shift the way you see your relationships, your work, even your love life.
Yep. We are diving into the let them theory, that viral mindset by Mel Robbins. And in her new book, she actually breaks it down into 8 powerful lessons we can all learn.
And I love this because it's so practical. Instead of trying to control other people, which never works, by the way, you just say, let them. Let them be who they are while you focus on what you can do.
Exactly. And lesson number 1 is a biggie. Manage stress. Yang terbesar ya, manage stress. She says if you stop micromanaging everyone else, you will actually feel less pressure yourself.
That's me when I stop worrying about whether my friends are late. If they're late, let them.
Let them.
I'll just enjoy my coffee in peace.
Iya, micromanaging artinya tuh kita nggak usah cari tahu,
Iya.
nggak usah kepo,
ya udahlah gitu ya.
Iya, let them itu ya udahlah.
Iya.
Okay, well that's the spirit. So lesson 2 is stop fearing other people's opinions. Ini nih yang paling susah ya.
Susah nih.
Jadi
sebenarnya kebiasaan orang Indonesia sih, Miss.
iya, dengerin
Mikirin
pendapat orang ya. Mikirin pendapat orang.
Iya.
Mikirin netizen.
Iya.
So imagine how much freer, lebih bebas kita ya. We would all feel if we didn't obsess over all others think.
Oh, that's tough but true. And then lesson 3, deal with someone's negative reactions. People might get upset, but hey, you don't need to fix their mood.
Iya, so kalau ada orang yang moodnya jelek, biarin aja.
Ya udah biarin aja deh.
That's their problem gitu maksudnya.
Ya, betul.
Jangan jadi berpikir apa gara-gara aku.
Ya, nah
kan
itu.
Sering kayak gitu ya,
sering kali
gitu
overthinkingnya.
Apalagi kalau dia teman dekat gitu,
Nah,
terus tiba-tiba dia diem gitu
dia diem gitu.
Bertemu terus diem gitu.
Iya, padahal mungkin lagi berdoa di dalam hati.
It can be.
Iya.
So jangan lagi ya.
Iya.
Nggak usah you don't need to fix, nggak usah di-fix dah, dibetulkan.
Betul.
Okay, then lesson 4 is overcome chronic comparison. Ini juga nih, apalagi yang seneng scrolling ya. So stop scrolling Instagram thinking you are behind in life. So let them have their highlight reel. You live your own story.
Yes. Then lesson 5, master adult friendships. As we get older, friendships take effort. You cannot control who shows up, but you can put your energy into the people who do.
Oh yeah, this is right. Very correct, Miss Audrey.
Betul.
So it happens to me, and you know what? Actually, it's very difficult for me, Miss Audrey, at this age. As I get older, ya, friendships take effort.
Yeah.
Ketika di umur sekarang saya mau membuat suatu persahabatan, ternyata itu hanya dari sisi saya.
Nah, itu
ternyata recovery-nya tuh lama loh, Miss Audrey. Pengalaman saya yang baru-baru ini itu saya butuh 6 bulan.
Wow.
Untuk recovery sampai akhirnya oke, enggak lagi, akhirnya hilang semua udah.
Okay.
Itu 6 months, Miss Audrey.
Wow.
Ternyata ya untuk seorang yang seperti saya gitu ya. Untuk sebuah jadi kita harus memang master adult friendships. Gak gampang, Miss Audrey. Sudah berumur baru mau mempunyai suatu persahabatan baru ya. Gitu. Mungkin ada yang gampang, ada yang tapi bagi saya ternyata tidak semudah itu. Karena nggak semua orang mau bersahabat dengan orang yang sudah lebih tua barangkali atau seperti itu ya. Oke. Tadi sudah ya.
Lesson 6.
Oke, lesson 6 is interesting. Motivate other people to change. So here is the kicker. You cannot actually force anyone. All you can do is inspire by example.
Okay.
Yeah, inspiration ya, give inspiration.
Yes, then lesson 7, help someone who's struggling. Support them, but don't try to rescue them. Sometimes love means stepping back.
Ini juga susah ya,
susah ya.
Ini mitos sebenarnya ya, berpikir Miss Dita punya uang terus, itu mitos ya. You know what I mean ya, Miss Dita. Especially for people who are struggling ya. So they think I have everything. Itu mitos ya. Sekali lagi itu mitos. Oke, so ya begitulah. Sampai akhirnya anak-anak saya bilang, Mama jadi orang jangan terlalu baik sama orang lain. Tapi sudah susah ya, karena sudah seumur ini Miss Audrey untuk get back enggak itu susah. Okay, and finally lesson 8. Choose the love you deserve. Whether it is friendships, family, or romance, set your standards. Don't settle for less than you are worth. Oke, karena kita berharga ya Miss Audrey ya.
Betul.
Bikin standar, jangan memaksakan diri untuk bersahabat atau apalagi dengan romance ya. Dengan orang-orang yang kamu malah jadi merendahkan standar kamu, jangan gitu ya.
Atau dengan toxic ya.
Ya, jangan. Oke.
Wow, okay. 8 lessons, one big takeaway. Let them do what they do and let me focus on what I can control.
That's right. So there you have it, 8 lessons from the let them theory. And remember, it is not just about let them. It is also about let me. So let me focus on my goals, my peace, my happiness.
Right. You cannot control how other people show up, but you can control how you respond. And that's where your real power is.
Yeah. So, dear listeners, as you go about your day, if someone disappoints you, frustrates you, or doesn't meet your expectations, just take a deep breath and say, let them. Ulang ya. Let them. Kayak gitu ya Mas Ari ya.
Yeah.
Then turn the spotlight back on yourself. What you can do next.
Yes, because at the end of the day, peace, joy, and love start with you.
Yeah. So if you ask me, that is the kind of wisdom we all need in 2025.
Yes, okay, Keluarga Gracia, it's about the trending. Let them theory.
Let them theory.
Jadi harus bisa mungkin lebih don't be too hard to yourself kali ya Miss ya,
lebih
lebih itu ya.
Be kind to yourself.
Jadi kita itu ada harganya.
Betul.
Gitu. Kita itu berharga.
Betul. Kalau kita nggak bisa kontrol orang ya nggak usah.
Nggak usah. Iya.
Even anak-anak itu nggak bisa.
Iya,
betul. Ya.
Apalagi semakin besar ya mereka semakin besar.
But we can communicate.
Yes.
Itu yang paling penting ya, berkomunikasi. Komunikasikan aja semuanya gitu ya. Enak gak enak ya harus diomongin.
Ya,
tapi tidak memaksakan ya. Tidak memaksakan kehendak kita juga sampai harus ini gitu ya.
Nggak bisa sih.
Apalagi anak-anak yang sudah semakin besar ya.
Iya.
Gak mungkin deh kayak gitu. Miss Audrey udah pengalaman, saya juga sudah mengalami gitu ya. So this is our suggestions, our advice to everyone, to the listeners. First of all, you have to manage yourself, manage the stress ya.
Yeah.
Kemudian yang paling penting adalah control yourself.
Yeah.
Do not control others.
Yes.
Gitu.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia, it's all about the trending. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. Okay, after we talk about our week and then we talk about the trending, now we will talk about daily conversation. What's the answer or how to answer? Okay, please, Miss Vita.
Okay, so for the third session, it is not the difficult one, but do you know when to use the word go?
Okay.
Okay, it is not only you use only go just like that, but you also need to add some prepositions and determiners too. Okay, so let's go. We have 5 usage of the word go. Number 1 is only go. That is go shopping, go home, go dancing, things like that ya. Shopping, home, dancing, go swimming, go running, go apa lagi tuh ya? Pokoknya hampir semua olahraga tuh bisa dipakai gitu ya. Okay, so for example, after dinner, he said that he wanted to go dancing.
Okay.
Langsung jadinya ya setelah
go dancing,
go shopping. Okay.
Okay, number 2, go to. Okay, go to school, go to bed, go to church. For example, we plan to go to Paris next Christmas.
Ya, amin. Semoga terjadi. Okay, so go to ya, go to some cities ya, kota-kota itu juga pakai to, preposition to.
Yes.
And number 3, go on.
Yeah.
Go on a date, go on vacation, go on a cruise.
Okay.
So the example, let's drop everything and go on a vacation.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Pakai preposition on di situ.
Yeah. Okay. Number 4, go for. Okay. Go for a walk, go for a swim, go for a run. For example, I'm feeling a little stressed. Let's go for a walk around the park to clear our minds.
Okay ya. Nah, ini tadi kan yang pertama pakai go aja, misalnya go dancing, go swimming. Sekarang ada go for a dance, you also can do that. Go for a swim, you also can do that. Okay, the same thing.
Okay.
Tapi mana aja bisa dipakai dua-duanya itu ya. Okay. And then the last one, go to the hospital, go to the cinema, go to the toilet, Okay?
Okay.
So the example, can you remember the first time you ever went to the cinema?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that is about the word go.
Go. Okay. So many example and so many usage, ya, Miss, actually. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, it's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.